Hello guys, welcome to this channel and I hope everyone's still in good shape so far. And today I'm going to share a tutorial. So this tutorial is based on questions from our friend from community. So the question is I want to be able to things change the color and of the rectangle and the dimension. So this question is coming from our friend Jimmy McKay. I challenged myself to make this tutorial, and actually this tutorial is done. I just would like to make aware how to make this one in simple way, an easy way. And first one, I would like to introduce how to use it without rectangles and using rectangles in easy way. Well, before I continue, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Shiv Sharma. I come from Indonesia and I live in Bali. So for those who are not yet have a Canva Pro account, guys, I suggest you to have this Canva Pro account by clicking this link over here. This link is official link. I was affiliated with Canva. So guys, if you click this link over here, and if you upgrade from this link, I will have token from Canva. It's a small token, and it's a big help if you click that link to upgrade your account. Well, the benefit of having this Canva Pro account is to accelerate your design, okay, to make your way easy and smooth when you are designing something. All right. So without further delay, let's go straight to the working area. And as I mentioned earlier, I would like to show how to make this kind of design using rectangles or without using rectangles. So we can utilize all the elements that Canva provide in here. So first of all, I'm going to copy this font over here. Okay, I just would like to make it, this one is a little bit darker. After typing this name over here, so before I proceed from here, I would like to let you know the font here, Object Sans font, and the other one is Acherus Grotesque Light. So well, I have a difficult in pronunciation, and well, this is the font name. If you like to copy paste this font name, I will just give later on the video descriptions on this channel. This is the font, and I typed already similar, so I typed the same name over here, Michael. Okay, and after typing this one, so go to Effect. Okay, there's here in the background. Okay, once you click that one, and you can arrange roundness over here all the way backward. Okay, and you can change the color, become light blue, and you can adjust this one, the shape, okay, roundness, or the spread. Okay, you can adjust that one, right? So this one you can adjust, and the second one you can use again this background by changing the color over here, blue, dark blue, and after that you can arrange the roundness of this one all the way back until it gets 0, and then you can adjust as well here. So I would like to change the color so that we can see the background of this. Okay, now we can change this one and adjust one more time over here, so until you get the correct size, and after this you can just join it. So we can arrange the spread of this color, and now we can move a little bit up. We can move up in here. Okay, if you think this one is not good yet, so you can arrange more the spread until it get until it lined same. Okay, so we can just do adjustment over here and a little bit, a little bit. Yes, that's perfect. Okay, so I'm done for this. Alright, and this is the first one. So by using this effect over here, background, and this is the first one. And the second one is when you are having this, I'm going to remove this object over here. Yeah, I'm going to remove and back to black color or something like this. Second one is go to element. So this one is save over here. You just get this line over here, and then you can, okay, you can make it bigger, this one, line weight, and you can put on top here and then get it back. Right, so to make it bigger, you just block this one, and then you can make it bigger, and then make sure you make it small, this one again, this font, and this one you can adjust. Alright, so you can adjust here the position of these, and after that you just copy paste the other one. Okay, now it's time to change the color, become dark blue, and then put the position all the way back, and then this one is a light blue, so you can change the color. Now we need to change the background color so that we can see the result of this design. Now this is the second, this is the second way how to create this kind of design over here. And the third one is okay, so we can change the color of this one. To let you know, guys, you just type this slash symbols on your keyboard, so it will comes up. Okay, so if you like to get this square as well over here, you just click this one. There's a lot of here, okay, square and rectangles, and some other friends that mentioned already that you just type R, or you just, okay, just type R and it will come in here. So this one you can adjust as well. Okay, this one you can adjust these rectangles over here, and then you can copy paste again and then put underneath. Now, okay, so after this one we're going to change the color, and here you go. Now we can change the color here. Okay, so put it back. Now let's make it the same, and then reduce this one. Alright, so it is easy, guys, so it's not so difficult. How to make this one, it is so easy. I think I'm done. So as I mentioned, that there are 3 ways how to make this one. So you can make from the effect by using this background, and then you can use this line over here, okay, by making it bigger. Okay, you can change the color, so you just click this line style and line weight become bigger. So you need to type first inside, okay, and after that you can make it big. Alright, you can adjust. So then the third one, you just type R, or you can just type here /sign on your keyboard, so you will see here there's a lot of magic tools over here. Okay, so you can see here magic tools over here. All right. Okay. So guys, thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and I hope this tutorial will help you. And if you think this tutorial is useful for you guys, you can subscribe to support. But if you don't have to subscribe. Okay, you just watch this tutorial, that's fair enough. Thank you very much, and see you again on the next tutorial. Bye bye.